Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to create a Typeform survey. First, navigate to the Typeform website and either sign up for a new account or log in to your existing one. Once inside your dashboard, you'll see options to create a new Typeform. You can select from a wide array of pre-designed templates, which offer a great starting point, or choose to build your survey entirely from scratch for complete customization. This initial step sets the foundation for your data collection. Now, let's dive into designing your survey questions. Typeform offers over 10 distinct question types, including multiple choice, short text, long text, rating scales, and even file uploads. To make your survey more dynamic, utilize the powerful logic jump feature. This allows you to show or hide questions based on previous answers, creating a tailored path for each respondent. Don't forget to brand your survey by customizing colors, fonts, and adding a background image to match your aesthetic. Once your survey is perfectly crafted, it's time to share it with your audience. Typeform provides a unique, shareable link that you can distribute widely. You can embed the survey directly into your website or blog using a simple code snippet, making it a seamless part of your online presence. For broader reach, share the link across your social media channels or include it in your email marketing campaigns. A QR code option is also available for easy access in print materials or at events. After collecting responses, the next crucial step is to analyze your data. Typeform's built-in analytics dashboard provides real-time insights, showing you response rates, completion rates, and individual answers. You can easily export all your collected data into a spreadsheet format, such as CSV or Excel, for more in-depth analysis. Furthermore, Typeform integrates with hundreds of other applications, including Google Sheets, MailChimp, and Slack, allowing you to automate workflows and enhance your data reporting capabilities.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.